So this is Boxster the Toy Hunter. I am currently in Springfield, Missouri. A friend of mine from Bolivar mentioned that there is a Filipino store in the area. So I traveled down here before I head on back home, and surprised to find out that there is some Pure Foods Tender Juicy Hot Dog, some San Miguel Beer Light, and some other stuff that you can make for halo-halo. So if you're craving to make halo-halo this summer, you can go down here in Filipino Market, located in Springfield, Missouri, about 216 miles south of St. Louis, and about 3.5 hours. And nice place. They also offer balikbayan boxes and regular stuff that you would find in any Asian store, but these have good stuff that you can use to make pancit palabok, pancit canton, as I said, halo-halo. If it's your stuff, you can get the ingredients for that one, and some ube mixes to make either pancake or your basic kakanin or bibingka. So they have it here. So if you are looking for something back home and you are in the Missouri area, drive down to St. Louis, to Springfield to get your Filipino fix.